In this video, I will show you how you can use page methods to call server-side methods with JavaScript and interact with the DOM with the result of this page method. So let's start creating a new website. And let's add some JQuery, which will be useful to interact with the DOM. JQuery install. Okay, and now let's create a web page. Default is fine. And let's add a few client-side controls. One is an input type equal to text, ID equal to txt1, and let's add a button, input type equal to button, and let's add a non-click event, which we will call get values. And finally, let's put a couple of line breaks. And finally, we will add a div container, which will contain the result that we will get from our page method. So to use page methods, we have to add a client script manager. So let's add a script manager very quickly. Script manager, run a server, ID equal to script manager 1. And let's enable page methods in the script manager equal to true. Now let's add a server-side page method. To do that, we first of all need to decorate it as a page, as a web method. And must be public. Web methods must be public and must be static. Let's return a string, and let's call it get values. As an input parameter, we also use a string, and we call it value. Now what we do is value equal to value plus, let's say that we want to put a date time for the sake of this demonstration. Okay, and let's return this value. We are not doing much, but that's a demonstration only. So here let's add our JavaScript. Let's add a function that we call get values. And now let's retrieve the value of the text1, which will be, let's declare a variable, text1 equal to, okay, let's add our JQuery reference. And now we can use JQuery to retrieve this value, which is the text1. Let's use our copy and paste dot val. And now we can use page method dot get values which is the server-side function, and let's pass the parameter text1. And now we have a success and failure functions, and so let's call it success and fail. Okay, and now let's create those two functions. Function success, which will get from the server side the value that we created. And so, and let's also create the other fail function. Which will be, for example, alert message dot get message, and on success we will write inside our div the retrieved value. So we must say div1 dot html dot html, and here the message we have from the server side. And I think we are done. Let's try the page in browser. Okay, we didn't give to the button a value. Get values just to understand what we are clicking. And here we say now is get value, and here we are. And we get the time, and if we click again, and you see no postback, everything is done through JavaScript, or JavaScript interacting with the DOM. Thank you for watching.